Ready for this Maverick?
Maverick.
We didn't get the back, we got the middle unfortunately, but it's alright.
That means you're up and out here.
They signed a lot of the season.
Yeah, they never used to do that, but it's alright. We're a Maverick, that's all that matters. Let's go! Get ready for this 95-degree jump! Whoa! Wow! 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 Here we go, second one! Here we go! Oh my God! Air time is insane. Look at Seal. Oh my goodness. Bro.
Bro, that bar went down so far.
It did. Jesus, bro. Maverick.
I'm like staple.
Me too. You ever seen? Oh my goodness. This ride is insane.
Yeah, I get the front row.
You gotta get front row. You gotta get front and back. Both.